Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeFlix. So as you can see, I've opened a file called stars.html. So you might be curious that what this is. So in the background, this is a hyperloop of stars and we are going to animate this. So if I show you a demo, this is how a hyperloop works and this is what we'll be making today. So this is a hyperloop. If I go to the big screen, so this is the hyperloop which we'll be making today. And as you can see, the stars are animated. You can change the number of stars if you want to, and you can add or delete the number of stars. And this is how the hyperloop works. I'll stop it. And if we want to see in the what we can say responsive version, then we can do that also. So I'll go to the dev tools. Sorry, I'll go to the dev tools and say it's the responsive version. As you can see here, it's responsive. And then you can click here and say it still works in the responsive. So today we will be making something like this using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's start. the coding. So now there is just one thing which is left, which are the stars. So for that I have created a text document with this long list of divs in the main tag. So what I'll do is I copy that and keep it above the form tag. So as you can see in the minimap, there are around 200 divs, or you can say here in our context 200 stars which we have created here using these divs, and using the JavaScript we convert these divs to stars. So if we want to add more stars, we can add more divs here, and if you want to reduce the stars, we can reduce them here. And so with this we complete our code and we are ready to run. So now if I open it in the browser, so here you go. This is the stars which we created, and this is the hyperloop which we have created. So as I showed you in the demo, if I click on go hyper, it goes in the hyper mode, or you can say hyperloop. All the stars coming at you, so it looks like a Star Wars scene, and then it looks like you're in a spaceship. And then if you click on stop hyper, it stops automatically. So if you want to use it anywhere in your website, you can use it and give this effect and enjoy. I hope it helps. Thank you.